You'll go hot the next time behind the column. Landon, put y'all to the test. How slow can you go? Alright, on Landon's pace, stay on Landon's pace. And everybody is on the clock. Here we go, first lap. Landon with a 3.6, Fred 3.5, Ryan 4.4. 15 seconds in, 3:45 to go. Oh! Fred, your leader in the red. Landon in the green and white. High on his heels. Oh! Oh! As we're flying around the track. Landon the leader with a 0.1 second lead over Fred. They're coming up on Byron. Oh, Fred gets tangled up. Landon waits for him for a hair of a second. He doesn't want to win that way. Just over 3 minutes to go. Landon, your leader in green and white. Coming around for lap 16. Fred 16. And here's Byron with 14. Just under 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes. Landon with a half-second lead over Fred now. Lap 20 for Landon and Fred. 17 for Byron. 2:40 to go. 2:40. And a 0.4 second gap between Landon and Fred. Watch, turn one, watch. Oh! They got it, they got it. They're back out. Fire break. Nope, he's back out there. Fred the leader with a 0.2 second gap over Landon. Landon coming off track. Maybe he knocked something loose in that impact.
I think. That's all right.
Fred waiting on it.
My whole
We've got 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes.
check his.
Yeah, the post, bro.
I think Landon is broken. He may not be coming back out. Byron getting a chance to get his laps back. There's 26. Landon's got 27. Fred 29. And after this lap, Byron will pass Landon, put him to second place. 2 more laps and he'll pass Fred. Minute 25 to go. Minute 25. 30 laps for Byron. He's caught up to Fred now. Byron, your leader, with Fred 1 second behind him and a minute 10 to go. That would make me nervous, Byron. That would make me real nervous.
He's just trying to work with this. Good job.
55 seconds. Byron, your leader in the orange. Coming around for lap number 37. Fred, 0.3 of a second behind him.
Drop your line, Byron. Don't worry about it. You drop behind before we do.
35 seconds to go. Comes lap 41. These guys are on pace to do 47.
Good job, Byron.
20 seconds to go. 20 seconds. Oh, synchronized wall smacks. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds. Byron's still your leader. 45 laps. Fred, 0.3 of a second behind him. Oh, little love pass. That's all that is. Time has expired. Go till I call your name. Byron, you're done. And Fred, you're done. Head on over to the podium. Our winner today.